Screencast here is going to cover Chapter 6, Lesson 4. Let's go ahead and start by opening a data file, and let's go to Chapter 6 data files. Chapter 6 data files 6-3. And on this one, we're going to click, we actually want it to update links, so go ahead and click Update Links. Okay, and where it says Missing Font, go ahead and click OK. And we're going to replace that font. So let's go ahead and click the text tool. And let's click somewhere in the first column and do a Command A so we have all the text selected. And let's go to our characters palette. And let's change our font to Times New Roman regular. Okay, there we go. That's kind of set up now. Now we get rid of that pink, it looks normal. Go up to the Pages panel and let's go to Spread 6-7. I see some more font that we need to change here, so let's click in the first column, do a Command A, and let's flip our characters to Times New Roman regular. What we're going to be doing in this lesson is actually placing some more images like we did a couple lessons ago, placing images and having text wrap around it, but we're going to be looking at different files that we can incorporate. So now that we're here on page 6, this is what I'm actually going to take. I'm going to go pages, I'm going to double click page 6 so it snaps to page 6 only. I want to be able to see my text frames. So let's go to View on the menu. Let's go down to Extras and let's click Show Frame Edges. If you go Show Frame Edges, now you can see all the boxes that are available on your page. If you look in the middle, there is a box with a cross X in it, and that X means it's an image placeholder. So with that image, it's waiting for an image to be dropped inside of it. So go ahead and click on that box. And let's do a file place, and we're going to place from our data files. It's going to be called, it's in the M's, it's Montag.ai, which is an Adobe Illustrator document. So someone actually used the pen tool to create this document in a separate program. So Montag.ai, click open. It's dropped within that frame. Okay, I'm going to click off to deselect. I'm going to go to my Pages panel, and I'm going to go to Spread 4-5. Spread 4-5. If you look at Spread 4-5, there is one giant frame that's covering the entire document. I want to get on that frame. So make sure you don't click the text box, but the actual frame that this big X is in. Okay, once that's selected, let's do a file place again. And we are looking for this time, it is called Orange Dogs. Orange Dogs. Now once we insert Orange Dogs, it only takes up a small portion of the corner. So let's go up to Object on the menu. And once we're on Object on the menu, let's go to what's up? Let's go to Fitting and Fit content proportionally. What that does is then stretch out the objects within the text frame. Now it's on top of all the text. What we're going to do is we're going to change the way that works. So let's go to our text wrap panel and let's put this graphic behind the text. So no text wrap. Now it appears behind all the text and we get a nice kind of a clean background look. Let's go to page 6. Where we have our little graphic here with the puppy dog. And with this graphic, let's change our text wrap as well. So let's go to our text wrap and notice that it's already selected on wrap around the object, but we don't get the look that we were traditionally used to. If you look at the wrap options, it should be set to both right and left side because we want this to touch on the right and the left side of the document. The contour options is talking about the type. What do you want the type to do? Well, what we would like it to do is we want it to detect the edges of the picture. Detect the edges. Once you detect the edges, now it will put a flow around the image rather than around the text frame. If you click to deselect, now you can check it out from kind of a far back view. So there's a couple more things about placing items. And that will conclude 6-4.